In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Slack chat history in just 5 minutes. Slack is an incredible tool for collaboration and communication among team members, but what if you need to have a copy of those important conversations stored safely? Well, there's a simple way to do just that, and I'm going to guide you through it step by step. To kick things off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Slack's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the sign in option. If you have a Google account linked to your Slack workspace, simply click on Sign in with Google. This will seamlessly connect you to your Slack account without the need to remember additional passwords. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your Slack dashboard. This is the central hub of all your work-related conversations and channels. From here, move your cursor to the upper right corner of your screen and click on your profile. This is where you can manage your personal settings and preferences. Next, you should find and click on Tools and Settings. You'll find this option clustered among other settings related to your workspace. It controls various administrative and functional aspects of Slack, so it's quite the useful menu. Once inside, you'll see Workspace Settings. This is where you can manage the broader settings for the entire team or organization. Now here's where the magic of exporting begins. Within the Workspace settings, look for the Import Export Data option. Clicking here gives you the power to handle your Slack data more freely. Once you've selected this, you'll need to click on Export. This section allows you to begin the process of securely downloading your chat data. While waiting for your data to compile, which might take a moment depending on the size of your export, it's worth noting the importance of having this backup. Whether for auditing, record keeping, or peace of mind, having a copy of your chats ensures that your significant Slack conversations are never lost, even if something unexpected happens. Finally, after your data export is ready, just follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the download. Save the exported file to a secure location on your computer or backup drive, ensuring that it's always within reach when you need it. And that's it, you've successfully backed up your Slack chat history, making sure that all those important discussions and decisions are kept safe. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Knowing how to back up your Slack history is another step in streamlining your digital life. If you've got any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy backing up.